Hello friends, today we are going to practice daily routine English together. I will speak simple, slow and clear sentences and I want all of you to repeat after me. The purpose of this practice is very simple. To make English easy for you, to make English a daily habit, and to help you speak naturally and confidently. You don't need to rush. You don't need to feel pressure. Just listen. Just listen to each sentence carefully and repeat it slowly with me. This slow practice will improve your confidence. It will improve your fluency and it will help you understand English in a very natural way. So, let's start today's practice calmly, slowly, and with full patience. Are you ready? Let's begin your daily routine English practice. Repeat after me. Okay? Morning routine. I wake up slowly in the morning. I take a deep breath. I thank God for a new day. I open my eyes with calmness. I sit on my bed quietly. I stretch my body gently. I stand up with patience. I walk to the bathroom slowly. I wash my face with cool water. I feel fresh and relaxed. I brush my teeth carefully. I take a warm shower. I enjoy the silence of the morning. I dry myself slowly. I wear clean clothes. I comb my hair neatly. I look at myself with confidence. I smile at my reflection. I feel ready for the day. I go to the kitchen slowly. I go to the kitchen slowly. Breakfast and start of day. I make a simple breakfast. I sit down calmly to eat. I take a small bites. I chew my food slowly. I enjoy every moment. I drink a glass of water. I keep my mind peaceful. I plan my day step by step. I write down my goals. I focus on my patriots. I avoid rushing. I maintain patience. I choose discipline every morning. I believe in slow progress. I stay positive. I clean my table after eating. I wash my cup and plate. I keep the kitchen neat. I thank myself for my effort. I prepare to start work. Work routine. I sit at my workspace. I keep my posture straight. I turn on my computer. I start my work calmly. I stay focused. I avoid distractions. I work step by step. I read everything carefully. I type slowly and clearly. I give my best in every task. I take breaks when needed. I drink water regularly. I stay patient during challenge. I keep learning new things. I use my time wisely. I stay consistent. I complete on task at a time. I check my work again. I keep improving myself. I finish my morning work peacefully. Midday routine. Midday routine. I stand up and stretch. I take a small walk. I relax my mind. I breathe deeply. I drink more water. I prepare my lunch. I sit down calmly to eat. I enjoy my food. I give myself a break. I avoid using my phone too much. I rest for a 5 minutes. I close my eyes gently. I do not rush back to work. I give my body time to recover. I think positive thoughts. I feel grateful for my day. I return to work with energy. I focus on my task again. I stay away from stress. I move slowly but steadily. Afternoon routine. Afternoon routine. I continue working peacefully. I avoid negative thoughts. I remind myself to stay patient. I finish my task on by on. I keep my desk clean. I reply to messages calmly. I manage my time properly. I manage my time properly. I check my goals again. I complete what is important. I stay committed to my day. I maintain discipline. I avoid multitasking. I keep my focus strong. I stay motivated. I take another short break. I relax my shoulders. I stretch my hands. I drink water again. I prepare to finish the day. I review all my work. Evening routine. Evening routine. I close my laptop. I clean my workspace. I organize my things. I feel proud of my progress. I step outside for fresh air. I take a slow walk. I watch the sunset peacefully. I enjoy the cool breeze. I relax my mind fully. I breathe deeply again. I return home calmly. I wash my hands and face. I sit down to relax. I talk to my family. I drink a warm cup of tea. I think about my goals. I avoid negative news. I focus on good thoughts. I keep the evening peaceful. I cook I cook a light dinner. Night routine. Night routine. I sit down for dinner slowly. I eat quickly. I avoid overeating. I have simple food. I talk politely. I smile more. I thank my family. I clean the dishes. I wipe the table. I keep the kitchen clean. I wash my hands again. I prepare my clothes for tomorrow. I check my to-do list. I write down my achievements. I celebrate small wins. I stay grateful. I avoid arguments. I stay calm. I sit quietly for some time. I reflect on my day. Self-care routine. Self-care routine. I take a warm bath. I relax my muscles. I apply lotion slowly. I take care of my skin. I comb my hair gently. I wear comfortable clothes. I wear comfortable clothes. I drink a glass of water. I stretch my legs. I relax on my bed. I avoid using my phone. I read a book slowly. I learn something new. I stay mindful. I stay patient. I forgive myself for mistakes. I forgive others. I choose peace. I calm my thoughts. I close my eyes softly. I breathe slowly. Ending the day. I think about my dreams. I feel grateful for today. I prepare for tomorrow. I believe in myself. I trust the progress. I trust the progresses. I trust the process. I stay strong. I remind myself that growth takes time. I accept slow progresses. I accept slow progresses. I relax my body. I relax my body completely. I feel light. I clear my mind. I focus on peace. I let go of stress. I think positive thoughts. I say thank you for everything. I close my eyes gently. I breathe on last deep breath. I rest my mind. I rest my soul. I fall asleep slowly. Bonus motivation daily routine lines. Bonus motivation daily routine lines. I choose patience every day. I choose discipline every day. I choose calmness every day. I believe in small steps. I stay away from negativity. I keep moving forward. I accept every challenge. I never give up. I focus on progress. I stay motivated. I take care of my health. I take care of my mind. I take care of my heart. I respect my journey. I trust my path. I stay peaceful. I stay patient. I stay grateful. I end my day with hope. I start every new day with confidence. I wake up with a calm mind. I sit quietly for a moment. I stretch my neck gently. I stretch my arms slowly. I thank myself for resting well. I take a deep breath to start fresh. I stand up without rushing. I walk step by step. I feel grateful for a new day. I drink a glass of water. I feel energy in my body. I smile softly. I welcome the morning peacefully. I make my bed neatly. I fold my blanket slowly. I start my morning with discipline. I open the window for fresh air. I take a gentle stretch. I relax my shoulders. I focus on slow movements. I wash my face with care. I enjoy the cold water. I clean my eyes gently. I brush my teeth with patience. I keep my mind free from rush. I breathe deeply while brushing.